Assalamualaikum guys, it's Friday. I'm really tired after a crazy week at school, but something has lightened my mood. I've got a package from Sukkur Cuisine, who are from West Yorkshire, from Dewsbury to be precise, and they've sent me some of their biryani, which I'm gonna cook at home. People that are not familiar with Sukkur Cuisine, they are a wedding caterer. They're based out of Dewsbury, and they make the most amazing biryani as well as some other dishes. Foodie Chief, he hooked me up with this biryani, which is all laid up, etc. It's got its meat. I think it's 2.5 kg of meat and 1.5 kgs of basmati rice, and it's all layered, everything ready, and all you have to do is cook it, which I will be doing tomorrow. It's really packed up well, so it can be delivered anywhere in the UK. Let's quickly open this up. It's environmentally packed, and you can see the actual pot. They actually give you a pot with this, and you cook in this actual pot, and you keep the pot. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. Can't wait to see how we get on. So stay peeled for tomorrow's cook. So I've taken the biryani out of the fridge, and I'm going to cook it now, and it's all ready. The meat layers at the bottom, then followed by the rice. It's all got its spices, it's even got its own butter, and yeah, the next thing I'm going to do is get one of these big spoons and make a few holes. Okay, this steams holes to make sure that the biryani cooks. You can just smell this. It's like, you know that it's going to be a good biryani just by smelling it. And the best thing about it is that all the instructions are on the internet, and they've even got a YouTube page. So the next stage is that you put the foil on top, and you ensure all the edges are fully sealed and in place, and then all you do is put the lid on. So we've put this onto medium heat, and you can actually see the gas ring. It's elevating the pot, and the whole reason for this is you want to make sure that you don't burn the meat which is at the bottom. This will cook like this for around 35 minutes, and then we'll turn it down to a lower temp. The whole purpose of this initial heating is to build up the steam, so then the biryani cooks more effectively. So after 35 minutes, you can see it slightly steaming. So now I'm going to turn it down to the lowest setting, and this will stay like this for about 1.5 hours. Here Chef was a little bit worried about a little gap appearing because of steam pushing it up. So she's put a heavy weight on top, and yeah, see you in 1.5 hours. So 1.5 hours up, and let me just say, it smells absolutely amazing. Let's have a little look. Okay, let's have a look. Wow, this biryani smells, looks and tastes amazing. It's like I'm in a wedding in Batley, IMWS Track Road, if you know. Amazing.